Welcome to Phone Transformer, where we are going to show you exactly how to back up my Android phone to Google so you never have to worry about losing your precious data. Protecting your photos, contacts and settings is easier than you think, so now let's get started. Step 1 is to go to Settings on your Android device to access the main configuration menu. This is the starting point for all system changes and is where you can manage your personal accounts and security preferences. Step 2 is to then go to Google within the settings menu to open your specific account preferences. This section is important because it connects your physical device to your online Google profile, allowing for seamless data syncing across all your devices. Step 3 is to then go to all services and tap back up to see your current storage status and options. This specific area shows you exactly what information is being saved and allows you to customize your cloud storage settings to fit your needs. Step 4 is to click Backup Now to immediately begin the process of uploading your current data to the cloud. By triggering this manually, you ensure that every recent change or new contact is saved instantly rather than waiting for the phone to do it automatically. Step 5 is to then click Photos and Videos and make sure the backup option is turned on. This is one of the most vital steps because it saves your high-quality memories to Google Photos, ensuring they are safe even if your phone is lost or damaged. Step 6 is to then go to Other Device Data and turn on Backup Other Data to include things like call history and app settings. Enabling this ensures that when you eventually switch to a new phone, all your personalized configurations and logs will be restored exactly as they were. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful mobile tips.